guys, this is CJ Estrada and welcome to my channel. Char. And today we are here at Cebu Business Park and I'm just doing some random stuff because I don't have anything to do today. And so this video isn't gonna be the usual adventure vlog, family vlog, or food vlog, because today is going to be story time. That was awkward. So I had few clips from my previous events or previous whereabouts that I haven't really uploaded and edited it, but make sure that you will finish this video because I have something for you guys at the end of this video. So before I'll start, I just want to give credits to this vlogging style. This is shout out to David Linhoff. This guy is awesome. His transitions are sick, and then I'm just trying to achieve that, but this is just gonna be temporary. I'm not gonna do this through all of my vlogs. So yeah. So let's start with our story time. Wow, magic. First story I will tell happened last January 29. I visited one school here in Cebu, and it's a speaking engagement where I gotta share some tips for content creation. So roll VTR. Hey guys, this is CJ Estrada and welcome to my channel. Today I'm here at University of San Carlos North Campus and we are here at Techno Fair 2018, and here's my audience.
Good morning, guys. My name is CJ. Are you ready? How many here have blogs already? So today I'll be sharing with you tips in general content creation. So some related to vlogging, or I used to be a travel vlogger. I used to be because I recently stopped vlogging because I decided to focus on my YouTube channel as well. So that's it, and that's my YouTube channel. If you can subscribe there. So my first tip is to read and watch other content, follow your favorite content creators, and take them as your inspiration. Pay attention to their creation techniques, such as, for example, who knows Nas Daily? Nas Daily. His format is only, his videos are for 60 seconds or 1 minute. That's 1 minute. See you tomorrow. Next is create responsibly. Do not post scam. That's very bad. Second fact, respect copyright law. Give credit where credit is due.
Sir, matulog mo sa mga utang lang, sir. Oy, kita mo sa ko YouTube channel, ah.
Hi for the vlog. Thank you. Thank you. Bye-bye. And yeah, that's it. So those kids are one of the most energetic people I've ever met in my entire life, and yeah, I'm very thankful for them because without them I wouldn't have anything that I could speak of. Thanks for the invite, USC and C. Till next year. So our next story happened last February 4, happened in a new hotel. So we gotta meet Lodi Pinoy travel bloggers, Kenneth Surat, Darwin Cayetano, Mark Estor, also lifestyle bloggers Ruth, and more. And I'm with JL. She's also a travel blogger but based in Cebu like me. We had some socials at the Bay Hotel in Mandaue. So let's go, roll VTR.
Hello! Si
Mga Lodi!
Ay wow, meron ng ganito.
Hello! Sige mo ni Darwin kasi.
Nawala doon.
Cheers!
I thought dili ko minom karon pero I thought dili ko minom ron pero dili ko kadinoy kaya mo silang Lodi dire.
May lights, friend. Iba yung angle eh.
Sobrang sarap.
Masarap yan, promise. Masarap yan.
I have a question.
Wag ako. Yakonda. Ito, birthday girl.
Oh sige, ito.
Ano yan?
Ito birthday ko. Ano? May question ako for the vlog.
Grabe, ambush!
Ano?
Ambush yan, ambush!
Are you single? Hindi.
Yes.
Anong gagawin mo ngayong February 14?
I'll vlog.
I'll vlog lang. Hindi ka na magdadasal ng forever.
No naman. I'm not looking.
Okay. Yun lang. And so yeah, that's it for our story time. Nangatol siguro. So let's head now to our main part of this video. The one that I've mentioned earlier that if you reach this part, I have something for you. Last January, we finally hit the 1,000 subscriber mark. So, yay! Yay! Party party! Char, haha. Ba't kayo party party dali kaya ako rin usa. Anyway, so yeah, to celebrate that would be impossible without your help, guys. I would like to say thank you for that. In line with the celebration of 1,000 subscribers, I will be having a CJ Estrada giveaway. Tada! How's that sound? So ako sa isbog gamay para makitaan ang para natin angle diri. So yeah, I'll be giving Muna ni Karud masangin muhang gorilla pod kinani na siya. It's rustic. It's a year old now, so that explains why it's breaking frequently. So yeah, I'll be giving away free stuffs for you guys. First stuff that I'll be giving away is a YouTube notebook. Next stuff is a Transcend 16 gig USB Type-C flash drive. The next stuff that I'll be giving away is a Greenwich gift certificate worth 500 pesos. And last but not the least is I'll be giving away one 4eyed cap. So that's the vlog. Thank you for subscribing. Share peace and love. Bye bye. Yes, I almost forgot that I still have one last story to tell. And this is gonna be the birthday celebration one of my blogger bestie, Hannah Ferhales of beinintransit.com. And here's what happened. So bye bye.
Kung sige na sa Star Wars. Say so what? Say so what? Ikay bato. Laisyo kayo pagkasuwan. Dito siya gagi. Ikay bato.
Ikay bato? If you don't know guys, akong birthday before, ipalitan mo kong cake ni Hana, o niya, ang iyahang isulat kay Hoy Kigwa. Niya karon supposedly ako tayo sulti kay Hoy Batong. Pero maglayo ay Hoy Batong na. Ikay Kigwa, ay ikay Batong. Happy